Welcome to this clear and straightforward tutorial on increasing the slide view count in WordPress. Begin by navigating to your WordPress site. Once the page loads, you will see several options and features, but your focus should be on logging into your account. At the top right corner of the WordPress homepage, there is a login button. Click on this button to proceed to the authentication process. After you click the login option, you will be prompted with several choices to continue. One of these options allows you to sign in using a Google account. Simply select the option labeled Continue with Google and choose the account you would like to use for signing in. This process takes advantage of the convenience and security that Google provides, ensuring that your login is both quick and safe. Once you have successfully logged in, the next area to look at is the quick links section. This is typically displayed on your WordPress dashboard and serves as a shortcut to some of the most commonly used features of your site. In Quick Links, find and click on the Edit Site option. This will bring you to the site editor, an interface where you can modify various aspects of your website. Within the editor, your next task is to navigate to the image carousel block. The image carousel is an element on your site that displays a series of images in a sliding format to capture the attention of your visitors. Finding this block may involve scrolling through the page layout, but take your time until you see it clearly displayed. Clicking on the image carousel block will highlight it and activate its settings on the right side of the screen. After you have selected the image carousel, direct your attention to the block settings on the right panel. In this panel, you will find various customization options that allow you to modify the carousel's behavior and appearance. Look for the option that allows you to change the number of slides displayed at one time. This setting is particularly important because it controls how many images your visitors will see in the carousel view. By increasing the slides per view, you effectively allow more images to be showcased simultaneously, which can lead to a more engaging visual presentation. Once you have located the slide display setting within the block tab, simply adjust the number of slides per view to your desired count. You might want to experiment with different numbers to see which configuration best suits the layout of your website and enhances the viewing experience of your visitors. Take a moment to review your changes and get a preview of how the carousel will appear once it is live. This preview function is invaluable because it gives you a real-time look at the modifications you have made and helps you verify that everything is working as intended. By following these steps in order, you have successfully increased the number of slides that are visible at one time on your WordPress image carousel. This improvement can contribute to a more dynamic and visually appealing website that keeps visitors engaged. Enjoy your updated site and feel free to revisit these settings in the future if you wish to experiment further with your website's design.